Okay, Owls, we're going through the sophomore pre-ACT math test, numbers 16 through 20. Question number 16 is saying all this information, at this rate, which of the following is closest to the number of feet the car can travel in 2 minutes? So we're going to do this just like they would in science class. We're going to say we have 2 minutes. Now, if I'm looking here, I see a conversion fact that says you go 11 inches every 5 seconds. Now notice we're in minutes and not seconds. So I'm going to say 1 minute is 60 seconds. And that way the minutes cancel, right? So we've got seconds taken care of. Now we're told here in our highlighted portion, right? I'm going to put that highlighted information right here. We are told that we go in 5 seconds, we go 11 inches, so seconds cancel. So our answer now is going to be inches, but we got to convert to feet. We know that 12 inches is in 1 foot, so inches cancel. And so what I would do is on my calculator is this. I would go ahead and take 2 times 60 times 11, divide by 5, times 1, divided by 12. When I do all that, I wind up with 22 for an answer. Okay, number 17. It asks for what is the slope. So we're trying to remember this format where m is the slope. So if I were to take this equation and solve for y by subtracting 2x first, and then I divide everything by 9, we get y equals negative 2/9 x minus 2. Now the slope, right, we're trying to find the slope. Slope is the coefficient of x, which is negative 2/9, which is choice C. Okay, 18 is kind of interesting. We're trying to figure out which of the following questions, which of these are necessarily parallel. In other words, what has to be parallel? Well, these two sides have to be parallel because if I were to look at two sides that were parallel, I'm drawing them in the same direction as that. Here's my transversal cutting through it. These two angles add up to be 180. And that tells us that those two things must be parallel. So Roman numeral 2 is true. The other ones we don't know about. So the answer would be letter G. Okay, this next one's kind of fun. We're going to put some information here. Like we're told that BC is 3. And we're told that AC from A to C is 12. So if that's 12 and that's 3, this part must be 9. We're also told BD is 12. So this must be 9. And the question wants to know how much is AD? How far is it from A all the way to D? Well, 9 plus 3 plus 9, right? Which is 21, choice D. Last one here is question number 20. Which of these works for the value of x? Well, let's just try numbers. Let's try the first answer. Let's try 9. Well, that would be the square root of 9 plus the square root of 9 minus 16. And does that equal 8? If I put it in my calculator, it turns out it does not equal 8. In fact, we're going to have a little bit of trouble doing that square root because it's negative. So I know it can't be 9. Let's skip down a bit. Let's try 25. So square root of 25 plus the square root of 25 minus 16. Does that equal 8? And the answer is yes. Yes, it does. I think that's the fastest way to get this answer. The algebra on it takes a while.